All right, today is truck mania. I'm working on a truck. I'm driving my truck. Trucks everywhere, trucks. Anyway, check this out. I have this scenario. This Dent is this is a long bed truck. Long, I'm not joking. This thing is, it's like an 8-foot bed. It's crazy. Anyway, I had to take apart some stuff in here. I gotta go through there and use a long tool that I have. See that tool right here? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And I'm coming in here and going all the way down. There's some imperfections going on. This truck is clean. We gotta get rid of those little imperfections in there. It's interesting. But I got my sunshade. I got my top hat.